Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making
Welcome back to our channel.
my channel, Mommy's
Our
channel.
channel.
This isn't our channel, this one's Mommy's. So yeah, welcome back. So today I am making a rug for underneath our dining room table. But I'm also making it from the stuff that I found at Dollar Tree. So about, I want to say 6 of these. I have 6 of these rugs. Let's see if I can show you how they're made. So I have about 6 of these accent mugs that I'm going to piece together. They are really, really good too. They're like fluffy. So my rug should turn out to be maybe a 5x7, I want to say. I got these from Dollar Tree, so I have 6 of them, so that'll be about $6. $6 that I want to say. And these are really, really good to use as an area rug, and I think I'll make not an area rug, what's that thing called? A runner rug in the hallway. So I think that I'm going to make 2. But on this video is all about the rug that's going on our dining room table. And I want to say I'm going to do the measurements, and I think it should be at least a 5x7 rug, which that's the good size that I do need for that. Okay, so I'm also using, it is the non-slip rug upholstery. I'm using that. My chap is in the background, so giggity. I'm using this non-slip rug upholstery, I want to say it is. I got 2 of them because I'm just doing it. It's really not going to slip because the way the legs on the table are made, it's not really going to slip because they're going to already be pressed down. But I've just used this as like maybe an extra leverage because I saw it on another girl's video. Okay, so I'm about to start piecing it together. I'm piecing all this together with my glue gun, and I'm also going to use some like Gorilla tape, like maybe duct tape I want to say. And I think that would do really, really good. I may use duct tape instead of the Gorilla tape. So it doesn't matter what kind y'all use. Yeah. I'm using this one. You're not going to be able to see it. I think I should use this one. Babe, should I use duct tape or should I use the Gorilla tape? Say, hey, bud. You're not going to see this one, though. Unless I'm going to use this to make something in July. But I'm not going to use that much of it, so. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. I got it from Ollie's, $1.99, and then we're gonna piece them together. July, did you find Mommy's glue sticks? Where's the other rugs? Yeah, what are the rugs? You got them?
Okay, I need this bud.
I need the other rugs. Where are the other rugs?
The other one's right there.
They're in my face. The other rugs are in my face. That's crazy.
Dad.
Wondering if I should bag it up so you guys can see it a little bit better. You can kind of see exactly what I am doing. So,
Why don't you have cameras in here?
why do I have Chris? Why do I only have, how many more rugs was I supposed to get? 2 or 3? I have freaking 7.
7.
Yeah. Did you hear me? I'm not supposed to have 7.
One more?
Are you sure? Because remember I brought 5 at first. 5, 6, 7. So 8. Now I don't know what I'm going to do. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, but it's going to be... Okay, so I have them laid out like this, y'all. I'm sorry. It's going to scoot. July, come down there and scoot that together for Mommy. I have them laid out here. Y'all. Woo! Whoa! Where are you going? Where are you going? Put it together, July. Put it together. Make it so it's together tight. Oh, we really tight. Alright. Y'all, let me tell you the dumb thing that I did. So now I have 7 rugs, which I'm supposed to have 8. And I thought I mentioned that I had 6 altogether. But it looks like I used 8 of them. Which I'm going to have to go to Dollar Tree tomorrow and get another one. But I'm just going to keep piecing it. I guess since I'm already starting. Okay, y'all. So I just redid my measurements. And they're going to be perfect with the 8 rugs. Which I told y'all I have 7. So it's going to be perfect for our table. Because our table measures within the length of everything. Okay, so my non-slip rug. I'm going to open it. I brought 2 like I told y'all. And this is gonna go under. It's just gonna go underneath. Oh, it's pretty big too. Yes. Look at it. It's a good size. So I'll put one on one side, like in the middle, and then I'll use some on the other side, and everything. We're gonna start gluing these bad boys too. Oh, it's gonna be good. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna start gluing it. I thought my assistant was getting my glue sticks.
They're right there.
Thank you. You got them. So yes, I'm gonna be piecing this together, all glue stick, and then like I told you with my duct tape. All right, so I'm about to start. Hey y'all, so I have my last rug that I am applying right now, and this is it, and then I'll show you the final result at the end. Good night, JJ. What's up? What you need? Okay. All right, go to bed.
Just power.
Good night. But no, so I told you that I had bought these 2 non-slip rug rug things from Dollar Tree as well. I actually bought one extra one that I was able to cut in half and put underneath it for the bottom part, because the 2 that I did buy, it only covered the top half and stuff. So then I'll show you this snippet. I know I showed you the first rugs, how I pieced them together, but I'll show you again a close-up shot so where you can see how I applied it maybe 1 to 2 inches apart. 1 to 2 inches apart, and then all I'm doing is pressing it down. And it seals automatically. Okay, so are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? It came out. It came out so good. When I tell y'all, look, just look. Embrace it. Embrace the fluff. How freaking cute, right? So I have this little pattern working, so I kept it. Y'all, this particular rug, I was looking for another one, but since I had already had like the checkerboard theme going, I was like, oh, I can just use this, find another one of those and make it work like that. Thank God I found it. I went to I don't know how many Dollar Trees. So if y'all look at it and y'all see, can y'all see it? I'm gonna give y'all a better view. Okay, there we go. I literally sat here and just made a 5x7 rug, and out of $8 finds from Dollar Tree. So these, and then look y'all, the thickness of them, they're not like thin rugs. They're literally like super soft, super cushioned, super comfortable, you know. And if anybody can price a 5x7 rug, because I have bought one, Literally, the minimum of one is like $39.99, and I just made this for $8. And I can show you underneath, which you won't see it, but that's the slip cover thing that I told you. And then I just used like duct tape to hold it down, and then a little glue, and it's secure. Look. So you know how you go and you dust your rug out? Look at that. Look at me dusting. But no, I can't wait to, you know, show it to you once we finally reveal our dining room table to you guys, because this is what I made it for. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget, if you have any questions, private message me, write, comment, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for our next craft video. Bye. Be blessed.